There are a lot of ways that you can actually earn money on YouTube, and I'm actually surprised that a lot of people are still sleeping on this. Yes, I know that YouTube ad is good. Everybody wants to get paid via YouTube ad. If you want to get paid via YouTube ad, you want to monetize faster, I have a course coming up by June 10. And if you're interested, click the link in my description or check the comments. I'll be putting it right there. But that is not actually what we are going to be focusing on this YouTube. So I've been getting there. I want to earn faster on YouTube, but then okay, I'm not yet monetized, but I also want to be making money on YouTube. You guys, you don't have to literally wait until you get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours. See, I started earning on my second channel as at like 500 subscribers, even when I was not even up to 1,000 subscribers yet. And here's exactly what I did differently. In this channel before, I didn't know I had to wait for like 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours before I got monetized. It was such a long journey. It took me 2 years. I don't want that to be your case. On my second channel, I did something differently. First of all, was I focused on building community, but that is also not what we are going to be focusing on this time. So the first way that you can actually start making money on YouTube is making use of affiliate links. Yes, you can actually start posting your affiliates before you actually get monetized. You don't have to literally wait to get 1,000 subscribers. People will actually click on that affiliate link. I'm a prime example because I was already on like 600 something when Oraimo reached out to me to be their affiliate, and I posted that links. Trust me, the day that I posted it, 2 people clicked on that link and I gave 5% on each of them. Imagine that I have like 600 subscribers. I posted that link and about 10 people actually clicked. And this was even a video that I was not talking. I didn't particularly talk about that video. I just put the link. Imagine like you that you have like a talking head video. You make a dedicated video talking about this particular product that you're going to promote in the affiliate link. Imagine how much you can actually. First way that you can actually make money on YouTube is through affiliates. See, there are lots of brands that are looking for people that is going to promote their products, and they don't necessarily need you to have thousands of subscribers. They just need to know that you have like a community that can actually buy. And if you are starting on YouTube, which is why I'm always emphasizing on building a community on YouTube. See, if you build like a community on YouTube, even if it's just 100 subscribers that you have, and these are like community of people that like you don't do all those shady things to get those subscribers, you people, they will buy from you. Number one is through affiliates. Please do not sleep on affiliates. Affiliates actually makes people a lot of money before getting monetized on YouTube. Second one is through brand deals. And you know, this one might be surprising because a lot of people are going to be like, oh, our brands not looking for that are big on YouTube. Let me tell you, there are a lot of brands that will actually give nano creators a chance. They don't necessarily need to have thousands of subscribers. They just want to work with you. I started getting brand deals on my YouTube back when I was just at maybe 400, 300 subscribers. They just want me to talk when I was still focused on skincare content. They just wanted me to like talk about their products, review their products, and they pay me for it. So you can actually get brand sponsorships, you can get brand deals, influencer deals just from your subscribers without reaching like 1,000 subscribers. And if you have reached it, that is also like an added bonus. First one, affiliate. Second one is brand sponsorship. Third one is through digital products. See, this one I just recently worked on myself. It took me like 2 months. If you know something, if you're quite knowledgeable about something, you know that you know how to do something well, please teach people. A lot of people are waiting for you. In that spirit, I also want to talk about my course. I have a course coming up by June 10, and it's going to be teaching you how to get monetized faster. This is the same strategy I shared with my friend that got monetized in first 2 days. This strategy can also get you monetized in 90 days. If you are interested, click the link in my bio or check the pinned comment. I'm going to be pinning it in the comments. See you guys in class in June 10. If you have any, if you are knowledgeable, if it's writing that you know how to write, if it is how to draw on Instagram, if it is how to make cake, please like curate the digital products or the master class. You don't necessarily need 1,000 subscribers. When I started teaching people how to grow on Instagram, this was even back in 2020. My own account was still on I think 1.5-ish. And trust me, 15 people paid for that class. 15 people. And I hosted that class for like, I think 5,000. 5,000 times 15. How much did I make? Thinking about it. A lot of people actually paid. So you don't necessarily have to focus on just YouTube ads. I know that like the surest way to make money on YouTube. But if you combine all of these other alternatives, you are going to be a millionaire faster than you think. Because a lot of people, the only thing they actually come on YouTube to do is to promote their courses, like their digital products, their digital course. And it does not have to be like my own where you're hosting masterclass. You can literally create an ebook, you can create a planner, you can create a journal for people that is just passive, that all they have to do, you can host it for like 2K. And for 2K, imagine if you have like 500 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers, if like 10 people buy, did you know how much you like made? You just promote it from digital products. People make a lot of money. That is not the only way to actually earn from YouTube. People also do. If you see like a lot of big creators, now I'm talking about you after you become big on YouTube, you don't solely have to rely on YouTube ads. You can also launch your own merch. See, there's a popular creator that I really, really like. There's Kansi Namani. When Kansi Namani reached 100,000 subscribers, now Kansi launched our own PJ wears, and that brand is really, really doing well. that brand has made Kamsi millions. You can also do that as well. You can actually leverage on your influence, create maybe a merch or your own skincare line or your own products, and you're going to be making lots of money. Whenever I see a lot of people that are relying on YouTube, I'm just like, why are you leaving money on the table when you can literally make money from affiliates? You can make money from brand sponsorships, you can make money from digital products, you can make money from creating physical products. You can start also in physical classes too. Yes, you can start consultation and coaching. This one doesn't even need you to see. Right now, I also do this. If you need help with your YouTube, you have a problem with your YouTube, you can actually book a one-on-one session with me. Go through, I audit your channel, go through anything that you're doing wrong, give you tips and tricks that is going to help you. And that is how you can actually really make money. If you are interested in doing that with me, I also do that. Just check the link in my description. And I'm going to help you through anything you are going through on YouTube. I'm going to hold your hand doing that. So you can actually hold consultation. There are literally different ways to earn money on YouTube. And you don't solely have to rely on YouTube ads. The best way to do is always ensure that whenever you want to post a video, you have like your email in your description, so that when brands want to work with you, they know where to like check for your email, so that they can actually reach you via email. And also your courses, always ensure that you put the link in your description, so that when people want to book one-on-one session with you, or they want to get any of your products, it is easily accessible to you. Also put your email for people that actually just want to reach out to you, ask you questions. Link your social media links, because you can actually divert your audience from YouTube to your other platform. You can actually pitch brand yourself if they are not reaching out to you. If you know that this particular brand, I want to work with them, have like a platform on YouTube that you know that they are going to benefit from, pitch them, send them an email, tell them that your name is so, you are so, you have like certain number of followers, your engagement is good, this is what you think the brand is lacking, this is how you think you can help them, and pitch to them. See, if you send that to like 50 brands, you're going to get like 5 of them to work with you, and that's how you're going to earn from YouTube. You don't necessarily have to wait on YouTube ads. I know it is good, like that's the best thing, but stop putting money on the table. People that have been asking me, how do I earn on YouTube? But they don't care. I've already given you 5 different ways that you can earn on YouTube. If you enjoy videos like this, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. And with that being said, see you in my next video. Bye.